everybody? Today we have a recommendation from Eric. We went back and forth, Eric, and here we are. We made it. So Haken. I have never heard this band before. I think I heard of the name, but never the band. So Nightingale.
Okay.
Official video.
Let's do it.
It reminds me of like Radiohead. Never mind. I was gonna say, okay, computer. Okay. Yeah.
No perception of passing time. The words struggle to escape her mind. New perspectives to redefine. Birdsong awakens her from the storm. Shuffle the sequence of old paradigms.
I can see why you recommended this, Eric.
Need to still miss a line. Another page lay burning in the fire. The ink and the feather hold their secrets well.
That's good. This is good right here. Wow.
Poetic justice arriving after all.
That was cool.
Characters
I really love that. Now you have the guitar kind of coming in.
A sullen emperor endures his requiem. Can he live
Like a jazz fusion.
with this lament?
The thing.
I'm a mechanical animal, a dangerous game. That clockwork song it sings will send you to your grave. Now hear the nightingale's cautionary tale. Away, away for owls that duty. One fateful night, a spoken mind, unraveled, ever of the chosen. My signal box still burning on. Feel like I'm guided by my inner totem. One fateful night, unspoken minds, unraveled, ever of the chosen. My signal box still burning. I feel like I'm guided by the totem inside.
Ooh. Oh, look how they put the. Never mind. Oh. Damn. It's fast. Really fast. Jeez. I mean, this is really tight, precise, technical, and playing such a high tempo. God. Damn. Whoa. Whoa. About the metal. Man, they're progressive, like timing crazy time signatures throughout the track, man. I mean, they are like putting it max. Whew. I love it because it's got the same melody, I think, but the more extreme part of it. Nightingale. They like. I like that lyric. That's cool. Nightingale mine. The cinematography for the videos, it's been really cool looking. I don't know if these are like pop rhythms or what. That's pretty dirty. Yeah. That's dirty. Wow. God. They ended that dirty. Wow. They're definitely like a very progressive rock metal band that was very technical, and you could hear like the musicians and how good they were and everything. There were certain sections I loved about the song overall. It was good. Like I heard, like don't get me wrong, I heard like how good it was and how well they played it. The production,
good.
It was
Good.
really well done, man. It was incredible. It wasn't something of my favorite where I was like, there were certain sections I was like absolutely, but you know.
I think it's good and it's great and you're enjoying it when you're listening to it, and it's a great song, but it's like that will I listen to it again or add it to my playlist?
No, I don't think so. This is something I would not, it's not I would jump and run to and throw on my playlist. I have to be honest, you know, I want to be honest to you and Eric, is you as well, you know, because there were certain songs, don't get me wrong, Eric, there were certain sections and I heard the musicianship and what went into it. It's very impressive, man. It's very impressive. But I needed more.
It's great. I agree with you.
I needed them. The one thing I needed them to do was lighten up and give like a basic 4/4 kind of time signature rhythm to really bob your head. Even though the technical aspects, I don't know if they're doing polyrhythms, you could still move your head along to it. But I think there were certain sections that needed breaks where it was just gave you kind of a breather, and it kind of did when it cut out and went to the beautiful guitar playing or keyboards or whatever that was, and had the video I thought was outstanding. The production of the video and the visuals of the Nightingale, the actual Nightingale, and kind of the statue of it, and kind of going around with the lyricism. I thought that was great. But overall, would I listen to the song again? No, I don't think so. I think Haken probably has a lot of good material though, besides this song in general. Because I heard potential there. So I think maybe if we listen to like a 3-minute song or a 4-minute song of them, and it's more like straight to the point, and they can show their musicianship off, and it gets right there, I think so. But this one, yeah. So Eric, anyway, I hope we don't like piss you off. I'm sorry. I got to be honest though, you know. So, and I appreciate your support.
But here's the thing, I enjoyed the song also.
Yeah.
There was nothing I can say wrong about the song. It's just, I think it's a very, it's very mood ridden for me. So unless you're in the correct headspace, it's not a sign that you're like, let me throw this on. That's all I think we're saying.
That's a good point. All. I think maybe I'm biased because that's what I was thinking. and it's more of a song though, like you kind of lay in bed and throw the headphones on and kind of zone out to the
Yes.
song. And I think like I wasn't in the right mind zone to hear it, but
still to that,
I felt like I should be laying down.
I have to say is there's nothing wrong saying enjoy the song. It's not a day-to-day listen song. Like a lot of songs are that we listen to. It's not a day-to-day song, but it's a type of song where you have to be in that headspace and you have to be yearning for that type of atmosphere and message and emotion where you'll throw this song on.
Definitely.
So not to knock it, hey, they're on my radar.
Yeah. That's a good
Yeah.
point. That's a good way to put it. Yeah, because it definitely left an impression with me.
Yeah.